So Chapter 6, Part B briefs. Non-payment of rent. Landlord can give a notice of the end of tenancy agreement to a tenant who doesn't pay rent when it is due. Tenant can pay rent owing within 5 days, higher within 5 days, of receiving the notice which cancel notice of end of tenancy. So basically, yeah. So landlord can give a notice. As soon as the landlord gives a notice, within 5 days he can pay, and that cancel out the notice. Tenant doesn't pay rent. June 1st, the rent is due, right? June 3rd, landlord serves the notice to the tenant to pay full rent owing by midnight on June 8th, 5 days. So the tenancy will end up, right? June 13th, which is 10 days allowable after serving notice. So basically, June 1st the rent was due, June 3rd he gave the notice, right? Landlord gave the notice to pay full rent. And then June 13th it's allowable, right? June 6th tenant applies to an arbitrator, right? So basically after 3 days, right? For an extension to pay arrears, and arbitrator may extend the date of payment. If he applies to arbitrator, right? Bachole. Mediators, right? So June 10, tenant pays rent, right? And notice of end of tenancy agreement becomes a void. So they practically got 10 days, right?
But they said 5 days in the top line, and then they said 10 days. Why?
Because the reason is on 6th he appointed the arbitrator, right? So tenant doesn't pay rent. Number 1, June 1 rent is due, right? June 3rd landlord gave a notice to pay full rent owing by midnight. So 8th, within 5 days he has to pay, right? June 13th is the actual day, 10 days, when the 10 days gone. 10 days allowable after serving notice. June 6th tenant applies to an arbitrator. What he did? He applied to arbitrator for an extension. So the arbiter, if he extends, then he gets another 5 days, right? Do you understand? An arbiter may extend date of payment, right? So June 10 tenant pays rent and notice of end tenancy becomes a void. So basically, the landlord can give a 10 days notice, tenant can pay within 5 days, right? Then the rent increase. Residential. Periodic Section 24 of the Residence Tenancy Act says landlord can increase rent in 2 circumstances. So that is Section 24. Landlord can increase the tenant's rent if at least 12 months have been passed since the tenant's last rent increase or since tenant started to rent the premises. So basically 12 months. Landlord may raise the rent any time the premises are re-rented to new tenants, hired new tenants. But hired any time new tenants. But if upon a new tenant the landlord doesn't raise the rent at that time, the landlord must wait until the new tenant occupies premises for a 12 months. In the beginning you can charge whatever you like, but once they are in, you can charge, you can increase after 1 year. Landlord must give the tenant 3 months notice prior, hired 3 months notice prior to rent increase, and landlord must use prescribed form. Part 3 of the new act provides that landlord may increase rents on an annual basis up to an amount equal to the consumer price index plus 2%. So highlight CPI plus 2%. Terminating a residential tenancy by a landlord. Non-payment of rent. How can a landlord cancel non-payment if the tenant doesn't pay? For just cause, conduct of tenant, mean behavior, continuous non-payment. Conduct basically means the guys make boisterous noise every day, right? landlord use of the property, like demolition, conversion, tenancy agreement over 20 years, right? Move in himself or his family. Reasonable cause. If there is any, landlord must give 2 months notice. Have 2 months notice. Notice from landlord must be on the required form, prescribed form. Then, security of tenure. Real Estate Services Act introduced this for tenants. It means that a tenancy cannot be terminated except for specific reasons. For example, a tenant cannot be given notice for just complaining about something to the landlord. Yeah. Security deposit. Deposit can only be half of 1 month's rent for residential, right? Landlord must collect this deposit only when tenancy is entered into. Landlord must pay interest on deposit. Higher interest. Since 2002, the provincial government created legislation that states a landlord can collect extra deposit for such things as per damage, keys, access card, garage door openers. So basically, they can get extra deposit. At the start of the tenancy, the landlord and tenant together must inspect the condition of the rental unit. The landlord must complete a condition inspection report, how it's condition. So then you know when they vacate, you don't say you have done this damage, right? And it must be signed by both landlord and tenant, and the landlord must give the tenant a copy of his report. So basically, condition inspection report. If tenant fails to participate, it extinguishes the tenant's right to return of a security or pet damages deposit. If it doesn't maintain, right? If the landlord fails to participate or comply, this extinguishes the landlord's right to claim against the tenant's security deposit or pet. Basically, if landlord doesn't follow right, he loses the right to collect. If the tenant doesn't follow, he also loses.
And trust का कोई नहीं होता deposit.
So privacy. Section 16.
जरूर गल करते कि अपनी गल करते.
Yeah, section 16.
गोरे भी नहीं देते ना गोरा लेंगे ना वाले deposit करते.
Landlord can enter only. When can he enter? Emergency exit. Emergency exists. Consent from tenant at time of entry. Their permission, right? Tenant give written notice, written consent to enter a specific purpose. Change carpeting in a suite. Tenant abandons premises if tenant just leaves the premises. Landlord gives written notice of not more than 72 hours, not less than 24 hours. So minimum 24 hours, right? Or 72 hours. Order from the court. Repair. Landlord has a duty to repair premises to a certain level. Section 10. Even if they were in disrepair when the tenancy agreement was entered into. So basically he has a duty to repair. For repair he can enter. Distress. Tenancy Act abolished this remedy. Abolishment has given up. Residential landlord cannot seize and sell tenants' belongings.
पहला होता है